In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user on Agile CRM. We'll walk through the entire process from opening the right settings area to entering the new user's details and saving everything properly. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what information you need to provide so you can confidently add new team members to your Agile CRM account. First, let's open the user management section inside Agile CRM. Start on your main dashboard. Look toward the top right corner of the screen for the user icon. This is usually where you manage your account and administrative options. Click that user icon, and from the drop-down menu that appears, choose Admin Settings. Once you're in the Admin Settings area, look over to the left side of the screen. You should see a sidebar with different configuration options. In that sidebar, click on Users. This Users section is where you can view existing team members, manage their access, and of course, add new users. Now that you're in the right place, let's actually add someone. Look for a button that says Add User or a plus sign with that label. Go ahead and click on Add User. This will open a form where you'll enter the new person's details. Start by typing in their first name. Use their real first name so they're easy to recognize in the system. Next, enter their last name. Again, make sure spelling is correct, since this will appear on contacts, deals, and any activities they're assigned to. After the name fields, enter their email address. This is important because Agile CRM will use this email for login details, notifications, and any invitations you send. Double-check that the email is correct before moving on, as a typo here can prevent the user from accessing the account. Next, choose the appropriate role for this person. Typically, you'll see options like Admin or Standard. An admin role gives broader access, including configuration and account-level changes. A standard role is more limited and is usually ideal for most team members who just need to work with contacts, deals, and campaigns. Take a moment to think about what level of access this person truly needs, and then select the correct role. Once all the details are filled in and the role is selected, review the information one more time. When you're happy with everything, click Save. Agile CRM will create the new user and, depending on your settings, send them an email so they can log in and start using the system.